Hello world, it's me, Dr.Girlfriend, and today, we're in Solis. We're in its, Cresta region. As you can see, the southern part of the country. Anyway, we're here to control a tornado, and, let's see how it goes. Alright, stairs. I hate stairs. They don't look like very many, so... Alright. Where's the other? Aha, here we go. Alright, so those are like servers. Let's activate this tornado. Oh. That looks bad. Oh, things are getting pretty windy. Uh-oh. Oh, what have I done? Oh, shit. I'll go chase it. Like they do on TV shows back in the day. Oh, this is my vehicle now. Suckers. Alright. Let's go chase this thing, shall we? It's a long way down from here. Here we go. I will drive off into the valley if I have to. It's over there. Let's go chase it. It's over there. Let's go do it over there. Okay. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. We're in the fucking tornado. Right. Whoa. My husband and the Venture Bros don't give me this kind of experience. So, yeah. I think I may have unleashed one of nature's deadliest phenomenons, but hey, it'll do good for a video, right? Also, I want to hit 25,000 subscribers by the end of 2030, so yeah. Whoa. I'm inside the tornado. It's really trippy in here. Okay, bye everyone. If I upload this video, that means I've survived. Okay, bye.